So B is also a reference of a Pi network. It's art like Pi network. So B is almost like 5 years now. They have been mining B, and which is equivalent to Pi network, which we mine close to 6 years now, close to 6 years before it finally happened that the Pi network was listed. It's the same thing with this B network now. So they have come up with an update on how you can verify your KYC and how you can connect your your wallet. So I will be showing how you'll be able to verify your KYC and connect your wallet. Please, I want you to watch to the end. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to give you a fresh update. Any update that just come in any of the airdrop, I'm going to drop it here in my YouTube channel, and also have a privilege to drop it on my Twitter and Telegram's account. So we are going to go straight first of all to how you'll be able to verify your KYC. So when you come over to this place now, just come and click your your profile. This on the this is the home, then the profile, then scroll it now. You see KYC. You see KYC in this angle. Just click on it. Next one is see, you see next one is coming soon. So I want to say now that KYC is of a branch, of a batch by batch. We have the first batch, the second batch, and the third batch. For you to verify your KYC, you can see when I click mine now, it say the next what batch, which is the next one is coming. So if case you find yours in this angle, mean that you are just joining the B network. So you should just be patient because you will soon be what verifying your KYC. But for those that have been mining and for those old accounts, so their KYC is what is available. And the KYC process is very, very simple. The KYC process is very, I'm going to explain it to you now. In case you enter, you click on it, say verify, and it was shown like this that next run is coming soon. That means your run is not yet. But in case you just click on it and it should verify, all what you have to do is your face. You just have to have a clear background, a clear background, a white, a good lighting. Maybe you can do it in a daytime or outside your house, a good lighting. Maybe beautify your face, not go and do makeup. Just remove everything. Your face is okay. Then smile towards the camera that is watching you through your phone. Then the KYC is done. Just to avoid their KYC process is just to avoid anything robot, anything robot. Make sure one account is one person, not two accounts. So if they see your face double, that means you are what a robot. That means you are using two accounts and you'll be disqualified. That is the aim of this know your customer, this verification. So let's go to how you'll be able to connect your wallet. So you just click on wallet. You can see I have not connected my wallet. That is why you can see in this place now say private, secures, and always in your hand. Update. You understand now? Import wallet. In case you have a wallet before, you have to import it. Import wallet, I believe, if in case you have a wallet, because there are seed freeze in this place, a private key, and a cloud backup. So I won't be doing all this importation of a thing. I just have to create a new account. What you have to do now is to click on update. Let's click on update. You can see just screw it and you see there asset. When you asset, it says set up a wallet password. This password, set up a wallet to manage your password, to manage your wallet. This password is unrecoverable. If you miss out the password, you won't be able to recover it at all. You won't be able to recover it. So you have to use a password that you can able to recover at any time. Then if you forget it, you can set up a new one by resetting and re-importing your what? Your wallet. I think you will wipe out any money that is on it. You wipe it out. That is the disadvantage in this one. So we have to set a new password, then confirm the new password we set. Let's proceed. I have to set a new password, then confirm the new password. Immediately after the new password, I'll be continue. So immediately after you set up your new password, you just have to click confirm. Yes, you see, B Network would like to use a biometric function for those that have a fingerprint. I will say allow to protect your what access by verifying biometric information. I will say allow. As immediately I click allow, say I have to use my what my fingerprint. Fine. So it's loading. Just have to be patient. It's loading. Okay. Now comes backup your wallet. Private, secures, and always in your your hands. You can either use a cloud backup or a manual backup. So I'm going to, if you want it to be fast, just use a cloud backup. Then if you want to use manual backup, you just have to do it. Let's click on manual backup. Under the manual backup, say save notice. Check all the bus. You have to check all the bus. Do not save the seed phrase by taking screenshot or copy. If the seed phrase is a link, it may link to the thief of your access. B Network will not keep a backup of your seed and phrase. So let's click on it. Click on it. Let's take it. Then you see correct. Use my fingerprint to unlock it. So in this angle now, this is my word. This is my word, my seed phrase. I have to review it and copy it. I have to review it and copy it. So immediately after this one, once you review it, just copy. Immediately after you finish copy, then you click on it again. Then you confirm it. Immediately you confirm that is all done. Immediately you confirm it that is all done. So in any time when you come over to home, anytime, then let me show you this thing. Let me just breeze into it. If you are new and you want to join, I have my link in the description box for you to join. Then what you have to do now after joining, if your own is showing red, just click on it. Immediately you click on it, okay, you can see now it has shown the green. It means that it's what it's working now. So if you come over to profile, just come over to any team. On the any team, you have to ping. So in order to increase your mining speed, just have to ping successfully. Just say okay. This will be able to increase your mining speed. Your mining speed able to increase. You have to ping those people. Then security setup and the rest. So this is how you'll be able to what to I just show you now how you able to connect your wallet and how you do your KYC. And KYC is batch by batch. If your time your your batch have not come, it will show you coming soon. But if your batch have come, I show you the process. All what you have to do is just do a snap of your face. Once you enter, it will show your face, and that is all. So it's very, very well. It's very, very simple. And you see, they celebrate. They are celebrating celebration of fifth birthday, fifth B day. You understand? And they say we celebrate it in our days. B Wallet 2.2 versions update. You understand that everything about this place, you can just read it on your own. They celebrate about it. So I believe their TGE and everything is around the corner. I want you to be serious. If you have not joined B before, just be serious because they are real. We have Connect Wallet now. We're on the KYC process now. So what are you waiting for? Just use the link in the description box and connect. Join. What you have to do is very simple. In the morning you connect again because it works 24 hours. In the morning you connect. Then the next day you connect. It's just that mining it for you. That is how Pi Network work too before. That is how Pi Network works. So thank you. Bless you. See you in my next video.